Someone asked me to look at the Zella Day song, Dance for Love. That's how it starts. It's E major 7. D major 7. And they're not playing the syncopated thing, they're just kind of doing stabs. About 55 seconds into the song, they transition from this verse to a chorus. So they're on the D major 7. In the air. And then they go. That is A flat or G sharp, whichever you want to call it. This is A flat minor 7. And this is F sharp minor 7. Then it goes from the F minor 7 to the E major 7. And that repeats. Yeah, so after the second chorus, it sounds a little different because instead of going to the E major 7, they go to the D major 7. And so now they're going from the D to the E, but it just sounds different. Yeah, so they do that D to E thing. And then they go back into another chorus. And that's the whole song. Okay, thanks for that request. I like the song. Thanks. Bye-bye.